Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I am Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my pretty face, you are highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, may God bless each and every one of you wherever you're watching me from. So in today's video, we're actually going to be talking about a lot of things. It's just like a chit chat between you guys, okay? So between us, yeah. So now, my recent video where I visited water, I had got a lot of messages. You people have been asking me questions like, confidence, I should check whether you are still owing your spirit people, or confidence, I should check whether your spirit people need something, your water spirit people need something, and how do you settle your spirit friends, because they are your friends, your water spirit friends. Yes. So now what we are going to be talking about is how to settle your water spirit friends. How do you settle them? A lot of people come to complain that all their life they have been settling their water spirit friends. So my question now is, do you think you are settling them for them to go forever? It's as if you neglecting Jesus, like neglecting your God. God has been there protecting you. No, you don't settle them for them to go. Yeah. The truth is that they are there to protect us. If you give them what they want, they give us in a massive way that we cannot be able to comprehend. In this life now, water spirit is just like me in this my calling. I visit water spirit people, my friends in the water, almost every month. Almost every month I visit my friends in the water, every blessed month. Now for you that is just like an ordinary individual watching me, do not wait until they start spoiling things for you before you now start looking for solution on how to settle your spirit friends, your water spirit friends. A lot of us have been going from one prophet to another prophetess, from one herbal person to another herbal, spiritual herbal somebody. Now, if you want to settle your spirit, your water spirit friends, now, if you want to settle your water spirit friends, it will cost you some money, but not that expensive. It will not be that expensive. Some of us will come to, let me use myself as an example. Maybe you come to me and I told you that, okay, for you to settle your water spirit friends, you are going to pay, let me use 20,000 naira as an example. You hear, wow, opareka, it's too much. Confidence you reduce. When confidence now said no, she can't reduce money from that 20,000 naira, you will go somewhere else whereby they will collect like 10,000 naira or 8,000 naira from you. In your mind, you'll be thinking, they are so genuine. Now, the truth is, if you want to settle your water spirit friends, you are going to spend money on them. You buy a lot of things. And before you do, you settle your water spirit friends. Mind you, you are not settling them for them to go final. You can't chase them away. If you want to chase them away, they will spoil things. Your marriage, they will block it. Your business, they will block it. Everything that is making progress, bringing progress in your life, they will spoil it for you. By that time, you will run from one pastor to another. You will go to one herbalist to another. And now, that 8,000 naira they have collected from you, do you know the reason why they collected that 8,000 naira? Truth is bitter. They told you 10,000 naira, or maybe they told you 15,000 naira. You were there dragging price. In order for them not to lose that customer, they will collect that money from you. They will eat it and put it inside their pocket. They will use it and buy food for their family. They will chop it. They will eat on top of your money, on top of your sweat. and you'll be there complaining that you have been settling your water spirit friends. There are some things that you don't need to argue. In every situation there is solution, but oftentimes we make that solution to become difficult. Every way is hard, no way is easy. No, there's no shortcut to success. Every way is hard. But when a prophetess or a herbalist told you this is how you are going to settle your water spirit friend, please, even if you want that person to reduce money, let that person reduce small. Good morning, Tota, how are you? There's a way you plead with someone that you want that person to do your work. You will end up paying nothing. That person will just do everything for you for free. But you see this water friends spirit, now your money you go use do them. Even if you don't pay all. So now, we often deceive ourselves. Do not be deceived. I used to say it on my WhatsApp almost every day. Don't be deceived. Please, if you want to settle your spirit friends, your water spirit friends, bear it in mind. You're not settling them for them to live forever. You are giving them what they want. Sorry about that, guys. So now, your water spirit friends, they can't live you forever. It's as if you will sacrifice something in order to gain something. You give them what they want to eat at that month, because almost if you are a spiritual person, you need to give your water spirit friends food every month, and you will see how things will move for you. Now, another question people used to ask is, okay, how long will you start seeing results if you give your water spirit friend food? Now, the truth is that if you first give them all what they want required from you, give it 2 days, you will see the miracle. You will see sign. 2 days, you will see sign that they have accepted your offer. Yes. But you see all those ones that you have been throwing your money because it's cheaper. You are giving those people money to even feed their family, and they will tell you that they have done your work. My brother, my sister, it doesn't work that way. You will settle them, and every time, every day you check, they will still tell you that you are owing your spirit friend. In order for you to be free from all these things, which is even impossible to be free from them, but you are just giving them food for them to open more good ways for you. You give them food, you give them drink, you give them what they require from you in order for them to open more ways for you. Olu milana alocha ya alocha umu ibem ndi nkemu anaghị alụcha m olu mmiri alụcha. And again, if you are from water and you have a small business, this is another secret that I want to share with you people. If you are from water and you have a small business, even if you are doing an office work, try and be selling something like cold water, pure water, bottled water, anything chilled. It can be Coke, mix it with Coke, Fanta, Sprite, all these soft drinks, Chia Exotic, anything that has to do with liquid. Anything that has to do with liquid. Sell it and come back and give me your testimony. Once you have settled your water spirit friends, you will see how everything will work in your favor. People here and there, both known and unknown individual, will come and patronize you, and your business will boom. But before you do this, make sure that you have settled them. You have settled them not for them to go, but for them to eat, because they are hungry. When they eat, they feed you more. When they are not hungry, you yourself will not lack anything. But when they are hungry, they will block every progress coming to you. This one, asuta speaking in tongue. If you doubt me, continue with your speaking in tongue. Iga sugideya, year to year, ikanekbe baba baba baba. Asiranga bwana mad. Spiritual controls the physical. Onwe iye mad na afu gunwa bu na enene mkita, you will not see it. That's why when I talk, people used to say confidence, you used to talk with authority. I am sure of what I am saying. I am very sure of what I am saying. Just give it a try. If you are from water and you have settled your chi for that month, please sell something watery. Join it with your provision store. Join it with your wrapper store. Anything you are selling, join water and see how even that one that you are selling before that water will move markets. This is a secret I am sharing with you guys. And if you are not from water, you must settle your friends, because if you are earth, air, water, you all of them, even if you have to connect them together to do work. All those 4 elements of life, you need to connect them together to do work. So that is why you are going to settle your spirit water friends. And if you want to settle them every month, if you do once every month and you see the sign that things are going well, continue. The next month, continue. Because if you remove 10,000 naira and give to them, they are going to give you 10 million. Do you believe that? It sounds like a joke, but it works like magic. Yes. Let's settle our spirit friends and be free and be happy in our marriage, in our business area, and in our working place. And you will see how everything will work in our favor. Amen. Amen. Thank you if you have watched me up to this point. I still remain confident, and I will see you in my next video. Please, let's settle our spirit friends and let's be mindful of what we do, okay, and what we say, okay, because as I'm talking to you, my friends are all over me, surrounding me. Yes, I know. Thank you, my dear friends. Settle your friends and they will bring more favor to you. It's not diabolic, it is not fetish. This is something you assign together when coming to this life. It doesn't stop you from your prayers. It doesn't stop you from calling Jesus. It doesn't stop you from going to church. Let's settle our spirit friends, our water spirit friends, and we will see how things will go. I don't want this video to be too long, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and remain blessed. Bye.